So we can set up a batch job by SM36 is the transaction code, and through SM37 that batch job can be executed. SM36. You can put a job name. Job class we have to select. What priority we have, we can say middle priority. What is the condition? At what point it will start? So for example, I just gave an example of employee vendors. So it will start only when employee IDs are created in the system. So we can give that start condition, let's say immediate, check, save. What are the steps? Which program it will trigger? So it will I'll just search, we can search the program. So it's R prep A00, R PRAP A00. Check. So the batch job is scheduled, step is there, we can save it. Batch job is scheduled. It's saying one step successfully defined, so I have defined a step for my job. Now I can go to SM37. Test job. So I can run this job. So at this point there is no data, no employee ID. So this is in the cancelled status. So that's how, its system will automatically check the employee IDs, and whatever employee IDs are created in the system will automatically create the vendors into the in SAP. So that's how you can see the status of your job. You can see the job log. Required fields are missing just because there is